All right, in today's video, we are going to be doing a ceramic coating on our new AG wheels on the Maserati. All right, so if you're not familiar with ceramic coating, basically it is just providing a protective layer over the surface of either your rims or your car. In this case, we're going to be doing just the wheels, so they will maintain their original finish, as well as like a lot of contaminations and dirt, and make it easier to clean. So that's what we're doing today. All right, so let's jump into prepping the wheels so we can apply the clear coat. So since these are new wheels, we won't need to do a lot of cleaning, but we have driven the car, so we want to make sure we get all the dirt off. So first step I'm going to do is use a wheel cleaner. Just going to spray that on there. All right, so after you apply your wheel cleaner or whatever degreaser you use, we're going to wash it real good. Probably going to take the wheel off. That way I can get the inside barrel and all that, and then we can ceramic coat the whole thing. So you don't have to take it off if you don't want to. You can't just do the outside, the face of it. It's up to you. So let's get into it. Going to go through the whole prep process and then touch back with you once we get the wheel off. All right, so using a soft bristle brush, I'm going to work in the corners just to get those hard to reach areas. All right, so now that we have the wheel off, I'm going to do some additional cleaning to make sure that all the dirt and grime is off using microfiber cloths. And then we're going to do the prep spray and get that on there and wiped off. Do a final dry just to make sure there's no water. Probably use the air compressor, maybe. Then we'll start our ceramic coating. All right, see this water here that collects in the lip? You want to make sure that you dry that out just so it doesn't roll back onto your coating. So I'm just going to go all the way around. All right, so we reached the point where we're going to use our prep spray. I'm going to lay it flat, and you probably want to do this in the garage too, as well as the clear coating, but you want to make sure you have ventilation. But doing it in the garage will help prevent from stuff falling. I mean, it's fall season now, and leaves are falling all over the place. So do it somewhere where you won't have contaminants falling onto your finish. Anyway, let's get going with the prep. You want to make sure that you are using a different microfiber cloth. You don't want to use the same one that you were cleaning the dirt off. So you want a brand new clean microfiber cloth. Another thing that I like to do is I like to stick to one part. So I'll wipe all of this for each one and go all the way around that one section. Then pick another section like this, go all the way around. And that way I make sure I don't miss anything. All right, so we have our ceramic coating formula here. Make sure you don't just toss this to the side. This bottle is glass, so we want to make sure that it is not destroyed or broken. Then we have our block here, and then we have our cloth. I'm gonna take the block here with the foamy side on the top. We're gonna put the cloth over the top like that. Make sure to shake this. Then we're going to add a few drops to here. Then we're going to apply a thick coat to the rim. We'll work on sections, so I'm going to do this, the face part first. And it's best to not lift up so you don't get, I guess like that sponge effect, if you ever got that. If you have sections, you're going to probably have to lift up, but I'm going, like I said before when I was cleaning. And you want to make sure you have gloves. Probably should have said that first, but make sure you have gloves before you put this on to protect your hands. After applying, you want to wipe down the area with another clean microfiber cloth. All right, I did the face. Now I'm gonna do the inside of, some of these spots are a little hard with this applicator here. All right, so immediately after you're done, you wanna wipe it. Now, depending on how intricate your wheel design is, this could be harder or easier. This one is not too bad. All right, so now I have to do the rim part, the lip. All right, so now we've done the front face. Let's do the barrel of the rim, which should be the easy part. All right, let's wipe it off. All right. All right, so we finished one wheel so far. I got 3 more to go. And it took about 15 minutes to do the prep as well as the ceramic coating. So it won't take too long. I would say maybe about an hour, hour and a half to do all 4 wheels. And that's just the prep and applying the ceramic. Not necessarily jacking it up, taking it off and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do the other 3 off camera. And then we have to wait 24 hours for it to cure. I'll come back tomorrow and show you the results. All right, so if you like seeing videos like this, DIY, mods, maintenance, car care, or any other car related activities, click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. That way you'll be in the loop and won't miss out on any future videos. All right, so it's the next day. We're gonna put the wheels back on the car and see how they came out. All right, so the wheels came out good. You don't see any marks as far as streaks or any pulled up spots. So I'm gonna say it's a success. It looks just like it did before. I'm thinking that's a good thing, but only time will tell. So I'm gonna say this was a success. All right, so the link to all the products I used today will be in the description down below. And if you haven't checked out the installation of the wheels, check out that video now. It'll be right here or there, can't remember. Anyway, until next time, I'll check you out in the next video. I'm out.